The sun is shining like a smile. The trees are cut at Novo style. The birds are singing like they're in a preschool play. My friends all have great things to do, being seen and breaking through. I cannot help but feel I'd like to be this way. My house is like the sun outside, bright and clear and smiling wide. It appears so content, happiness and joy to the max. Sitting down with lemon tea, it's welling up inside of me. My house is made of cardboard and wax. Relax, relax. Who are you thinking through? Only tell me what is true. Need if you tell me who. Please don't say that I am you. Enemies with hidden faces, out of my most cherished places. Who are you? Please don't say that I am you. In the star that's leaking down, my destiny is not to drown. My house is made of eggshells and mud, and it's mine.